hours. It was so much fun. Oh my god. The scenery was beautiful. I felt like I was in Beyonce video. Like one of Beyonce videos for the Records King. Oh my god. Oh my god, I felt like I was alive. Look at this view.
You taking a video or picture?
I took both. It's so beautiful.
So I'm getting everybody in it.
My horse keep trying to run. Like, no running, please. I beg of you. I beg of you. Make me think it's funny. I beg of you. Please. No, 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 no. Yeah, it's the commentary. No, 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 no. All I need is for my girls to fall out, and I don't need that. This complexion. Oh, yeah. No.
We're now on our way to the beach.
You ran away. Kevin, he keeps running away.
Easy.
Yes, please, easy. Please. I got 60. Whoa. He's eating. He's hungry. And they're leaving me. He's being hungry. I'm hungry too. Is there food here for us? Whoop. Oh my god, this view, y'all. I have to show you. Yes, beautiful, nice. That water. No, 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 no. Yo, I keep on being about to fall off this horse. Mimi, she's trying to bite you. She's trying to bite you. Look, Mimi. She's trying to bite you.
find it, okay?
Yeah. Huh?
Pull up.
Later on today.
Gonna miss you guys.
Yeah, this was good.
Oh.
Please, not with the running. 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 We just got to the rafting. Okay.
Eh?
Get on that one. We're on our raft now, guys.
Fun, guys.
We will. Thank you.
Alright.
My uncle over there. The water is so clear. You literally see everything that's in it.
You see to the bottom, that's easy. Told y'all.
Oh yeah, the blue hole, cause we did see this when we were doing the blue hole yesterday. So yeah, that sounds about right. They just gave us flowers. Show yours, Mimi. This water is so beautiful. Just look how clear it is. You literally can see in the bottom.
So we just got off the things, the rafting I think it's called, and they let us off here where they have like a little bar, and we're going to go over there and get on the swing, and then you can get off, you can walk up there and you can jump into the water. I'm going to take some pictures here on the swing, of course, and in front of this tree. So yeah, I'm excited. Showed us this tree where everybody that comes here, they crave their names inside the tree. I have to put mine on.
And look here, you see these stuff? These stuff here?
Yeah.
There? These are, if they sketch on the skin, oh, you keep on scratching.
Oh.
Yeah.
Freezing, you hear me? All this for a picture? For the sake of... All for the love of Instagram. For the love of Instagram. All for this. I don't give a fuck. Yo, my feet hurt. Yo, the water's so cold. I'm not spitting my mouth. Sorry about that. Alright, we about to take some pictures. I love this, y'all. But I have to go back to my baby. Oh my god, look at this.
You guys want to take a picture pushing this? Do it the hat. You don't really do it.
Alright.
Like you do the hat.
I'm not doing that.
You get over.
I'm gonna learn today. My little cousin is rafting.
Can you tell us, Philip? Do you know?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Do you know the reason why the ocean always
He's friendly.
I look at the camera now. You got a beautiful smile, girl. Look at the camera now. The reason why the ocean always friendly, because the ocean always waving.
Oh, it's always waving. That was a good one. Lots of waves. That was good. That light, that sun hit you though. Oh my god, it's so bright. My flower about to fall over.
Yo, it's all up. There. Okay, guys.
How beautiful is this? Like, it's just so beautiful. Wow, really? Huh?
Yeah, she want this one a picture.
Bro, I don't know what you're doing. He said she gotta get off.
Don't let your foot slip you go. Sideways.
Why are you walking like that? He said no, she gotta get off.
Good morning, guys. So we're about to go ride the four-wheeler, so I want to show y'all my outfits for today. One of the active outfits I might wear for today, the bathing suit I'm gonna wear today, and the outfit I'm gonna wear for dinner. Thank you. So these are my choices. I have this one here, but I'm most likely not gonna wear this one. This is my favorite one because my menstrual came on, and this is the outfit that you can't wear underwear with because you're gonna see them. The back is so cute. Your back is out here. So cute. I got this from Eternity, y'all. $20. So this is number one. Then I have this one. This is so cute one. And I was gonna wear it like zip down like this, and I was gonna cross this over like this, put it through there. I was gonna have, it was gonna look real cute. I tried it on like that already. So cute. So this is the second outfit that I might wear to ride the bikes, and this one. All of them fit so cute, y'all. And these are the sunglasses I will wear with either of these. And this is the last one. This one and that one is my favorite. And this one crosses in the back, and they got the like the rooch at the butt. So cute. So I'm sorry, y'all, I gotta put you down. But yeah, I'm probably going to, I don't know, I'm probably most likely gonna wear this one. Is it focused? Yeah. Got the rooch at the butt. The back is out. Like, I love this. This is the bathing suit I'm gonna wear for today. I'm an ambassador for them as well. I'm a list their Instagram at the bottom, and I'm gonna tell y'all the codes y'all can use to get a percentage off. And this cover up that I'm going to be wearing is from Pretty Little Things. I'm gonna be wearing these sunglasses I got from Love Yourself Boutique. These earrings that I got from my girlfriend Daisha, who sells the sunglasses. And these are earrings that I sell as well, but I don't know which earrings I want to wear. Probably going to wear these because I haven't wore them yet. And then these are the shoes that I will wear. Either of these with it. And this is what I'm going to wear to dinner tonight. Since it's our last night, I wanted to be cute. Where is this from? I think this is from Lola Shoe Boutique, but they sell clothes too. And then these sandals. So yeah, so I'm about to get washed and dressed, and I'll show y'all what I decided to wear once I'm done.
Going to the house. So you know, but this is what I decided to go with. This is what I have on. I need to find me a long body mask. It's so cute, y'all. My little dinner rolls. I'm shouting it out here. So we're here. The four-wheeler's over there. I'm trying to zoom in. I don't think they want me to bring my camera. They just told us to take our sunglasses off for whatever reason, so I'm gonna try to take pictures and stuff when we come back.
Then through the front one. Under and up.
Wait, under and up.
No, split the buckle open, yeah.
Okay.
Then go in between the buckle.
In between and then to the back. Okay.
Exactly. You got it. You got it. Yeah, you just have to tighten it up if you need to tighten it up a little bit more. If the helmet fits loose, don't worry about it. The goggles are going to keep it in place, okay? Alright? Just waiting on everyone else to get caught up. You both did it right.
Okay.
Look at these
guys can't come with
my
me.
team.
Sorry.
My team. The home.
It might rain. I'm gonna get my camera
is from
right.
Philadelphia.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, Kyle Lowry.
Oh,
The
yeah.
Raptors. Yeah, they beat.
So we're finally done doing the four-wheelers. So now we're at a gift shop so we can buy gifts to take home with us so we don't have to wake up extra early tomorrow to do it. I'm making my vlog. My son this shirt. My loved ones these keychains, including myself. And the guy just gave me a shot. What's this called, sir?
It's the mango rum.
Mango rum.
It's sweet.
Let's see my face when I take it.
Alright.
Is it good?
It's good.
It is good.
It's smooth.
Yeah.
This is banana rum.
What?
No. Banana.
Banana?
Yeah.
Banana.
It's like banana over me. You ever taste that? Banana over me. You ever taste that? Want to try
Oh,
some?
really good.
Very good.
It's good and sweet and smooth.
When you get only in Jamaica, we do got small bottles and the big bottles.
Oh.
Easy to travel.
I'll take some. No, keep on that.
Which one you want? The both?
I'm gonna get this stuff here. I'm trying to think of how much is this one?
This is 12.
12?
Yeah.
How much is the other one?
That's 10.
Oh, that's both. That's both is good. I'm gonna get this one.
All the time.
Alright, I'll take both. Thank you. I need the sweet one. Take both for me.
Change like what?
She's about 18, not 21. That's good. Ah!
Tennessee cigars.
It tastes like juice.
You got small Tennessee cigars if you want.
I don't smoke. If I did, I would.
There's a mango.
That one's good. Alright, so I'll see her when we get out of here. I'm hot.
Figure out how to open my earrings, so I'm leaving these studs on. But this is what I'm about to wear to the beach. I don't really like this that much, but whatever. It's the last day, cause tomorrow we leave. Okay. I will. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all when we get to the beach. I'm gonna show y'all like the houses and stuff as we walk to the beach and stuff. My hideous mess, you guys. I have to wear this in order to get into the fucking beach. And then soon as we get in, we take it off. Like, it's literally whatever. Jamaica, I can't talk shit only because y'all death rate is 12. So y'all doing to coronavirus. So y'all doing way better than us. So I'ma just hush my mouth. But this is our house right here that we're staying at. It is so beautiful. I took some pictures in front of that gate too. I ain't post them yet though. They too fire. I gotta post my other pictures that I don't think are as great first, so they can get some nice likes too. But yeah, we're walking to the beach. My little cousin, her bathing suit is fire. Turn around with me so they can see your bathing suit. Now her bathing suit is cute.
I forgot where I got it from.
She lying, y'all. Ain't that what people do when they want you to know where they got their stuff
It was
from?
like it was an Instagram. Well, this part I got from here, Jamaica.
Oh, okay.
This part I saw on Instagram in an ad.
Yeah,
and I was
so
just
cute.
scrolling.
Yes, like I need something like that, especially for when I go to my next trip. Look, y'all, so I'm trying to sneak a bottle into the beach, and the only reason I'm trying to sneak the bottle in is because they have a bar there, so I don't know if they're going to say no, I can't bring it. So I have to, so I had my like towel over it like this, so that they can't see it. So I'll show you guys more once we get to the beach. Well, matter of fact, I'll show you guys like the houses and stuff. Because one thing I do love about here, every house is different. Every house does not look the same.
Right.
Every house is not bunched next to each other, looking the same fucking way. Everybody got their own land. Everybody got their own different like
Looking house.
yeah, like I love it here. Like so, look at that one over there. It's like they still building it. Yeah, they're definitely still building it. There's no way somebody can do it. But yeah, oh yeah. Let me turn the camera. And this house over here looks nice, but the scenery for me, like, oh my god. Then some more. Oh yeah, look at the house. All that land they got. This house is really nice too. I think the beach is like a little further than where that car is down there. It be dogs in here. You see the sign, and they real big. See, ain't it just so cute? It's the color for me. It just pops. It's the color for me. It just pops. Is the beach right there?
Yeah, I think it's
All right. Say no more. Oh yeah, that would be so cute with your outfit. Look, try to reach for it. My sunglasses that fell off. Oh no, can you get a Mimi?
You trying to get a flower?
You can just hold them for now.
Yes.
Yes, for her bathing suit. Perfect.
How about down here? These orange things here?
It doesn't go. Oh, that one's real nice, but
Look.
yeah, right there, that big one.
No, it got dirt on here.
Oh, I got dirt on it. Yeah, Uncle Nelson.
Oh.
Shit. Let me move on out the way.
Try to get her flower when we get knocked in the head.
Mm-hmm. Now that's love.
Oh, yeah, that's love.
Oh.
We just may pull a whole tree there for you.
Y'all did, Mimi.
Look, there you go, Mimi, all right there.
We gonna get in trouble. Tanika, come help me, cause here come the dogs.
What do you want me to do?
Help me with this. Make sure ain't nothing showing.
You don't have it the way you had it before.
Girl, this thing keep.
So we're at the beach. I got my flowers, y'all.
She got her flowers, y'all. I got my liquor in, so it's about to be lit. Now me, I'm trying to put my mask on, y'all. That's why y'all. Oh, we're gonna take it off when we get to that bed. It's a nice breeze. Now I said by the time we get there, we should be able to take it off. We're near the water.
Yeah, I want to go down to the side of the beach and put pictures in the sand.
Straight.
With branches.
Hi. Yes. Wherever you want to go. Look at that water, y'all. That view.
Oh, it looks like it's a wedding. She got a nice little pretty white dress. Oh my god, this view, I love it. I want to live here. Just imagine waking up to this every day. My uncle was over there somewhere. I can't find where my little cousin went. I had to go back outside because when my glasses had fell and hit the ground, one of my lenses had fell out, so I had to go back and find it, but I found it, so let's walk the beach. I'm dying. My little cousin all the way down there, y'all. You can't even see her, like, look. She probably down there making a fucking TikTok or something. Look how fucking far away she is, look, look. Like, girl, what? I'm about to go down there with her. Oh, thanks, I guess. That's all they say down here, y'all. You're so sexy. You're so sexy. I really hate that word. You wanna turn me off? Say you feel sexy. Like what? Oh, some like houses over here. It actually looks nice. I don't know if you can see it. They got like beach chairs and stuff over there. Do it this way too. You can see the water. This probably gonna be my, what is it called? My thank for my for this vlog. Mimi, what are you doing all the way down here? She's crazy, yo. Look. What are you doing all the way down here? I'm like, the fuck did she go? Like, I came down here following her.
The sun down here.
The sun is down here, she said. Oh my god, this view. Yeah. Alright, y'all. This is an exercise. This is it. I thought somebody was coming. I swear to God. I should have just saw her face. I got so scared. The branch moved and I thought somebody was coming, but it's nobody. It's not nobody. I'm about to sit this way, okay? At this point. You can take some on your phone. I mean, what? Pictures? Yeah, because I want to vlog this of us all being on the swing. Alright.
Video.
This is an ad workout. Wait.
I don't know how to zoom in now.
Baby, you go over my head.
I ain't see it.
wet. Well, hurry up before your hair get more wet and then you're gonna be mad.
So y'all, I gave myself a mud mask and it got a little messy. So I did finish packing my bags, y'all. So these are both my bags right here. Suitcase is done, I ain't zip it up yet. My carry-on bag, my fanny pack is over there, my outfit for tomorrow, and my pajamas that I'm putting on tonight. So I didn't zip up my bag because those pajamas gotta go in there. My extra camera battery is charging. My shoes is out. Random towel. So I'm basically done. But y'all, I made a fucking mess. These people are gonna curse me out. Look. Cause they said we can't take the mud home. So yeah, I did my legs and all that. You know, the arms. You know, listen. They said I can't take it home, so I'm thinking about doing my chest and stuff. Of course, I can't show y'all that, but yeah. And it's probably like, it is 2 o'clock in the morning here. 2 o'clock in the morning, so I just wanted to show y'all this so far. So I did my legs. Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to do like my chest, my neck, my butt probably. But I don't need that in my life right now. So I'm about to do that now. Shower. I'm so mad I couldn't bring y'all with me for the 4-wheeler ride, y'all, because it was so much fun. Oh my god. The scenery was beautiful. I felt like I was in Beyonce video. Like one of Beyonce videos for the Like It's King. Oh my god. Oh my god, I felt like I was in Lion King, like, oh, it was so good. It was so good. Yeah, boys. But here, y'all, let me finish doing my mud mask, shower, clean this shit up, and go to bed. I'm probably gonna have 4 hours of sleep, no bullshit, because our chefs get done cooking breakfast at 9. We gotta be out the house at 11:30. The airport by 12:30. It's an hour ride, y'all, from here to the fucking airport. Whatever. You know, we gotta be there 2 hours, or we gotta be there at 12:30. Probably leave at 2:30. Then we gotta leave over in Charlotte. Who knows how long that's gonna be? I'll be home to 9:30. It's a mess. Not even home to the Philadelphia airport at 9:30. It's a mess. So I'm gonna have a long ass day tomorrow. So whatever. So let me finish doing my mask. Cleaning up. I'm washing up, cleaning up. And I'm gonna talk to you in the morning. Bye. Good morning, y'all. So I don't know what time it is. I think it's like 9 something. But I'm already dressed for the airport because I know we're gonna leave here at like 11:30. I'm about to go out there and see if they made breakfast for our last day. I don't think they did because my aunt didn't wake me up to tell me to come eat. So, but y'all, this is the best I could do when I try to clean up that fucking mud stuff. Like, it's still a mess in here. But this is what I'm wearing to the airport. I'm showing the mirror that I got. I don't know the way. But yeah, my stuff is already picked and ready to go. I already got my fanny pack on. This, can't really see it. My fanny pack, and then my book bag is gonna be my carry-on, my luggage, my hoodie I'm gonna put on, and my 2 masks is what I left out. And my camera, of course, so I can vlog. But yeah, I'm about to go out there now. You still can see the line on my head from my scarf. Oh, my hair is coming out over here. That looks so cute, my glasses on. So I'm gonna take y'all outside to show y'all the full house. Okay, so this is actually one of the first rooms in the house. Then it was my room. Then this is my aunt and my uncle's room. Here, a hallway. Then this is one of our dining room areas. Figured I'd show y'all the house before we leave because I feel like I did that. And this is the front of the house. I'm gonna take y'all out there though. This was our part of the kitchen that we left our food and stuff in. And then another like living room and dining room area.
Because you and I, we are on the same side.
That's where we eat our dinner and our breakfast at. You know, the pool and stuff out there. I'm gonna take y'all out there too though. Yeah, the what's that called? Auntie Nika, what's this called? Yeah, pool table. You know, we had some exercising bikes and stuff. And this was our cook's part of the kitchen we weren't allowed in. Here. So let's start out front. I wonder if this door is locked or not. Cause sometimes it's locked. But so this is the front of our house. So nice. I love this. When we came here before 2 years ago. This wasn't here. I actually need to take some pictures. I don't like what I got on to take pictures with this, but I should have. This is so nice. But yeah, let me actually. So yeah, this is the first part of the outside of our house. It's so beautiful, y'all. I took some pictures over there by that gate. Both of those gates actually. So let's go. I think this door is locked. Oh my god, y'all. I just sprayed myself with the bug spray and they're still biting me. Like, what the fuck? I don't know if this is locked or not. Y'all pull this? No, I gotta push. Dumb as shit. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at this. This is beautiful. I took some pictures over here. Took some pictures over there. Me and my cousin took some pictures right there. How beautiful is this? I took some pictures right there with that gate. It's just so fucking nice. Let me go further out so I can show you all. You know, like looking back. All this is ours. Well, it was ours. And that's how you get in the house. Like when we get out the car and stuff, we go through the house that way and around back. I'ma actually do that and show y'all. So this is what the front of the house looks like, with me being inside the gate. So let's walk around. Just I never did this. The first day I was so hyped at this. We got here so late because of all the stuff we had to go through at the airport. I really wasn't amped to, like, you know, record and show you guys this, especially because I've already been here before. But that was rude. I just wanted to get in the pool and take some pictures. So yeah, this is where our car comes in at to pick us up and drop us off. And then we walk through here. Alright, I'm gonna turn around again. How beautiful is this walkthrough? Right? So his bathroom's over there. It's a grill over there. This is the back of the house, well, the side. See, now we're back at where the pool table and stuff was, remember? Me and my cousins had a lot of late nights in there just talking and drinking and stuff. Hi! This is the pool. You know, our chairs was over there. Like, how lovely is this? I'm trying not to fall, so I'm walking on these things. I'm about to wake my cousins up because I want to come over here, drink, do something before we fucking leave. So, look how nice this is in here. Is anybody been here? No.
No, the connection is now so well we can see them.
In here, and it actually has a light in here, so we were being here real late with the light on. And then there's like another one right here. Then we had a tennis and a basketball court. Like, all this was ours. Then we had that nice sitting area over there. Like, it just was real nice. I'm gonna miss it. Mm-hmm. parent thinks. So, what I'm about to do now. Ooh, what just follow me? Somebody's still saying yo, and I don't know who they're talking to because they don't know me. So yeah.
I'm going to show you the other side of the house. So this was the kitchen, right? Our kitchen. Their kitchen. This is the other part of the house. It's my cousin Eric room. Yep. Eric. We're on the other part of the room. So it's a walk-in bathroom. And then it goes to another part of the room. Need help? I know.
Straight. That's not a street.
It is. I said I'm about to go back in the rooms because it's so fucking hot. This was my room the last time we came to.
That's right here.
And then that was Mimi's room. It is hot as shit. Look at me. I'm wiping my fucking hair off and everything.
I'm hungry.
Hungry as shit. A bagel ain't gonna do it. I'm sorry.
I ain't mad when I'm
They should. They could have sent us off right. One last time.
It's a damn shame.
Thanks. I'm going to show them the rest of this damn hallway. 11:30. That's what time he's supposed to be coming to pick us up. And then there's 2 more bedrooms down there, but I don't know what my cousin's doing, so I don't want to go back there. She probably getting dressed or something. Getting her clothes together. So, yeah. I'm about to go back and sit in my room with it. I check my phone because it's the only place where I have service. It's ridiculous. You ask me. I gotta close that gate and stuff. I never closed the gate and stuff when I walked out front. Look, y'all, the door is even still open. Like, I gotta go out there. That's still open and that gate down there is still open, so I have to go close that. So let me go do that. So we're leaving, guys. Bye, Jamaica. Bye, house. Say bye, house.
Bye, house.
Bye, house.
See you in May.
See you in May if we actually decide to come back after that bullshit. They pulled it. I'm definitely not coming back. Bye. Thank you for having us. They were so nice, y'all. They took good care of us.
Hello.
Hi.
Morning.
Morning. They got stuff back there, Mimi. Put my bag. Oh, no.